Hi, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A80 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to block the phone number on this device. First, we need to open the phone app. To do it, tap on this icon right here. Now let's tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner and then select the settings. In settings, let's tap on blocked numbers and here tap on add a number. Then tap right here on this window and now we can enter the number we want to block. For example, something like this. Then tap block. And as you can see, the number was added to this list right here. And now all the calls and messages from this number are gonna be blocked. You can also remove the number from the list by tapping the X right here next to the number, tapping unblock. And now you will receive the calls and text messages again from this number. And that's how you block the phone number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.